Alright, so now we're headed out to Leavenworth, which is a cute little Bavarian town out in the middle of eastern Washington. And we went last year and the kids loved it, so we're going to head out there again today. I have kids who are trying to go to sleep. We're just going to drive, and luckily it's not snowing like it was last year. And then we'll go to Leavenworth. So cold. We're all bundled up. I think we're actually gonna go get dinner right away just because it gets so busy here in town.
I don't know where that's at.
Oh, I saw.
Happy New Year. Say cheese.
Yummy as all get out.
That looks so good.
These are like the rocks that like are hidden places, and you go and find them, and then they have something written on the back of it.
Yeah, this one says Whidbey Island Rocks 2018.
Wait, what's on the front?
Show them the front.
And then it's so cool on the front.
Yeah, so now we have to go re-hide it.
I don't know where to hide it.
I know. All right, so we have tired kids, but are you having a good day, Chels?
Yeah.
Yeah? Ashley, did you have a good day?
Yeah,
Are you cold?
Yeah.
Yep. So we're ending our day here. Probably gonna go home, have snacks, and watch a movie. So if we don't see you again, take care. Do the donut dance to get a donut.